It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about Sndl growers. The ticker symbol for this stock, Sndl. We're going to take a look here at an article from the drpjournal.com. I'm not going to read the entire article, but we're going to cover pretty much most of it since it is indeed a short article. Could Sndl growers prove to be a big winner? Sndl Grower Stock is a company that is engaged in production and marketing of cannabis products for the adult use market in Canada. Has been witnessing a slide in its stock. The company has earlier done a massive burn to its investors. So taking this into consideration, is Sndl still a stock for the investors? Would it help its investors to overcome its previous burns? Just to add to that a little bit, as I have always preached on this channel, Sndl, any level under $1, for me personally, it is a buy. Just a quick disclaimer though, I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. But yeah, I have always preached Sndl stock under $1 is most definitely a buy. I have said that over and over again on my channel. For those of you that always tune in for Sndl growers, that theme stays consistent with me. Let's keep on now. Given the fact that the cannabis market is expectedly much larger in the US compared to Canada, the federal legalization of cannabis would result in large gains by Sndl stock. However, this may take years to get legalized. Despite this, if one looks at the battle between meme stock, Sndl clearly stands as a big winner and none contest close to it. But one cannot overlook the fact that as the months progressed, the shares fell. So indeed it is true. At February, Sndl Growers was heading towards what? $4? But right away the thing just plummeted down. And as you know, it's been a little up after that, but it has gone down consistently. But just keep in mind, that catalyst is so strong about the legalization of marijuana in the US. Marijuana is already legalized in several states. It is just not on that federal level. When that happens, or if indeed it actually does happen, which more than likely it will, Sndl could definitely take off. Okay, so let's keep going. However, they remained overvalued, particularly after the company sold a high number of its shares, thereby making it much less expensive than it was before. While Sndl's price to sales multiple is steep, it's still lower than several other Canadian marijuana stocks. The stock's enterprise value sales ratio is 11 times based on analysts' average 2021 sales estimates. At today's prices, however, the stock is still trading at premium valuation. Thus, despite the fact that the company still faces significant challenges to turn its cannabis business around, it could prove itself to be a game changer. So this is the kind of reaction that you want to see. Look, even though Sndl has been down, it's been beat up, it's been brutalized as a stock, there is still a silver lining, and there is still this major catalyst that could happen for Sndl, and it could be an absolute game changer. But so many people want instant gratification, and they just want gains overnight. This is not what Sndl is. Sndl is one that could take months or years. Always keep that in mind with Sndl. Let's take a look real quick here at Sndl. So Sndl at the current time of this video is going for 78 cents. It is down 4.32% on the day. Over the last 5 days, it is down 8.19%. I don't know about you, but I just smell a lower entry point right here. And this could definitely swing back up to that resistance level and that support that we had of 83 to 85 cents. So if you're a trader, this is definitely one to get into if you're swing trading this. Long term, this does not apply to you. Price fluctuations, they really shouldn't matter that much, because at the end of the day, you're in it for the end game, the big real gains. Let's take a look at tipranks.com. Sundial Grower stock and analysis and ratings. Out of 10, the smart score has Sndl at a 3. It is underperforming. That is no big surprise right now as the price is down. The consensus for Sndl, it is a hold. The sentiment is bearish according to blogger opinions. Not enough information here for hedge fund activity and the insider activity. TipRanks investors, the sentiment is negative. The new sentiment is neutral though. This could be seen as a win, to be honest, because Sndl could be very bearish at times. So to have it neutral is a pretty good thing, honestly. And now, here's some stock forecasts and price targets for Sndl. There are only 2, but out of the 2, both are a hold. Notice nobody is saying sell it, while there is no analyst saying buy it. At the end of the day, what they really mean when they say hold is don't sell it. So that means buy it if you see it at a nice price. They're just not telling you that. If they didn't believe in it, immediately they would have a sell on this. You could guarantee that. Let's take a look at the price targets. On the low end, we have Sndl going for 70 cents. On the average, it goes for 75 cents. And then on the high, we have it at 80 cents. Sndl is basically flirting on all 3 of these levels. So there could be a lot of stagnation here with Sndl. That is why I say when the prices get low like this, you have to go, because they fluctuate on these levels. Of course, I cannot tell you what to do with your money the same way that, you can't tell me what to do with my money. At the end of the day, we have to make our own conscious decisions and we have to research. But Sndl, there is so much time. Look at all of this time that they have given you to just accumulate and keep adding, and just to learn more about Sndl, just to learn more about the company. It's definitely going to be a beautiful thing when Sundial Growers does indeed pop. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that we could have this video seen by more eyes. Also, smash the like button so that we could have this move through the YouTube algorithm. If you didn't enjoy the video, give it a thumbs down. It's all good. It's a free country. The news ain't gonna stop, and I ain't gonna stop either. It is what it is. If you haven't done so already, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can stay notified, up to date, and informed. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.